In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add Scroll blockchain to MetaMask wallet. So we're going to go to scroll.io, and then here we're going to go over to develop, and then we're going to click on mainnet. And here in mainnet, we want to make sure we connect our wallet by clicking here. So right away, we're going to try to connect our wallet for layer 1. And then you have installed MetaMask. Of course, you need to have your MetaMask installed already. And this pop-up window appears and you're going to click on next. And then you click on connect. And the next thing we're going to do is layer 2 scroll. We're going to add to nest. And this pops up and you can allow this site to add network. So the network name is scroll and you can click on approve. And after clicking approve, you can go to your MetaMask wallet here at the top of your browser. And you're going to go to the top left corner and click on the drop down menu. And if you scroll down, you're going to see Scroll. And currently, we can see that our Scroll blockchain is connected to our MetaMask. You can switch to anyone that you want right now. Of course, now that you have it, you can go ahead and continue with your transactions. In case you have any error messages, you just need to, of course, close the dialog box because sometimes you might have that. And if you click on Add to Nest again, you're going to see you are already on Scroll. And when we go to our MetaMask at the top of our browser and we come here, we're going to see that we're already on Scroll. So this is how to add Scroll blockchain to MetaMask wallet.